If you are suffering with PCOD, PCOS, weight loss, thyroid, or any other health issues which affecting your irregular periods, then this video is for you. We'll explore some of the effective asana which helps in improving blood circulation in your pelvic area. Your hip muscles open up and balancing your hormone. Even if you are new to yoga, this sequence is very much designed in a way that you can easily follow it. And if you are practice this sequence, these asanas for next 2 months, you will see the differences and you'll get your menstrual cycle on track. So with that, let's get started. Come to tabletop position. Keep 1 foot gap between your palm and your knee. Keep your toe pointed. Inhale, arch back, look up. Exhale, hunch back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. If you have lower back pain, cat and cow position, Marjariasana is very great exercise for this. I want you to take a deep inhalation while looking up, while arch back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Next, open your left leg towards left side. Toe pointed. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale. Exhale, bend your elbow and go down. Inhale. Exhale. This exercise will open your pelvic area, strengthen your pelvic area, and open your hip muscles. Exhale. You will feel the stretch in your hamstring muscle. Exhale. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Exhale, opposite side. Open your right leg. Toe pointed. Inhale, forward. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Look up. Keep your head straight. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to tabletop position. Next, extend your arm forwards toe pointed, puppy pose. Inhale. Keep your chin to the floor. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale, exhale. Next, extend your right leg, right side. Keep your feet on the floor and stay in the puppy pose variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Extend your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come back. Come to child pose. Inhale. Table pose. Exhale. Child pose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Look up. Next, lift your left leg and make a big circle. We'll do hip rotation. Opposite. This exercise will open up your cheek muscles. Relax. Relax in child pose. Next, sit in Vajrasana. Keep your palm away from your knee. Inhale. Lift your body. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Keep half feet distance between the leg. Feet on the ground. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. Bring your right leg front. Left knee down. Toe pointed. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Arch back. Exhale. Lift your left knee above the floor. Keep your body straight. Lift your heel above the ground. Left heel above the ground. Stay. Next, keep your left palm on your left thigh and arch back. Look up. high lunges.
Next, come to Kalyasana, goddess pose. Keep your palm away from the body. Stay. Next, keep your left hand on the left thigh. Side bend. Right forearm touches your ear. Push it. Relax. Next, turn your right ankle right side. Make a namaste to your back. Inhale, turn right side. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Try to keep your knee straight. And if you are able to touch your forehead to the ground, to your knee. Stay here for 5 count. Keep your knee straight. 4, 5. Next, keep your hands sidewise and with exhalation, turn right side. Try to hold your ankle. Change. Turn your left ankle left side and turn towards left side. Look at your right middle finger. Keep your knee straight. Trikonasana will help in opening up your hip muscles and your hamstring muscles. Relax. Next, make a namaste with inhalation. Bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Keep your knee straight. Come to Kalyasana. Keep your right elbow on your right thigh. Lift your left hand. Your left forearm should touch your ear and look up. Change. I know you are feeling the pain in your thigh muscles. You need to practice this every day. Next, if staying in goddess pose for longer time is difficult, you can take a relaxation and again start. Next, turn your left ankle left side. Reverse warrior. Keep your right hand on your right thigh. Lift your left hand and arch back. Left. Bend your left knee. Raise your hands above your head. Keep your knee down, toe pointed, palm on the ground. Stay here if you are a beginner. And if you can able to join your palm together and arch back. Keep your palm on the ground. Left leg back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Keep your heels down. Knee straight. Relax in child pose. You did a great job here. I know it became more intensive, but over the time you'll get it. Just practice it with your comfort zone, in your limit. Don't overstretch anything. And if you are here, that means you want your all the health issues to be cured. Relax. Do comment below what makes you motivated and which pose is become more difficult for you. And if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such valuable videos. Come up. Yes.